ganarle a, ganarle a. This means to beat, If you feel competitive, or if you are competitive, this is the verb for you. Because you can actually use it if you want to. For example, if you beat a game, a video game, you can use it. Or specifically, when you have some sort of competition, you have some competition. For example, you're playing soccer, you're playing basketball, you're playing video games with other people, and you can, beat those people, because you're better, you were faster, the sport better than other people. You know how to play. You know what I'm talking about. We're talking about competition here. So let's see how this phrase / verb works. Okay. María le ganó a Miguel. María le ganó a Miguel. Okay, so this means Maria beat Miguel. There's no accent marks in English. Okay, there you go. So, very simple, very simple. If someone asks, ¿Quién ganó? Who won? Or who beat who? Essentially, you can say this: María le ganó a Miguel. Maria beat Miguel. I mean, obviously, you can change the names. Obviously, Maria means Maria or Mary. Le ganó. Okay, so we have this reflexive pronoun here. Man, you cannot see it too well. We have this reflexive pronoun le. That means you can use it. Obviously, reflexive pronouns, as I said before, can be used before the verb, okay? Le ganó, or attached to the verb. In this situation, you need it in front. Le ganó, ella le ganó, or María le ganó. That means Maria beat, she won. A, we have a, right? Sometimes you might have to use a, ganarle a, okay? So, le ganó a Miguel. And then we have Miguel, which Miguel means Miguel, Michael. And I think, that's the English name, Michael. In Spanish, Miguel. Okay? So, María le ganó a Miguel. Maria beat Miguel. Well, good for Maria. That's awesome. Okay, so let's look at another example using ganarle a, or maybe we might not need a. Okay, so that's why I put it in brackets. Okay, te gané. ¿Quieres jugar otra vez? Te gané. ¿Quieres jugar otra vez? Okay, so this means I beat you. Do you want to play again? Or do you want to play again? Okay. That's why I'm saying sometimes you don't have to say when you want to say this person beat other person, then you need a. Okay. Le ganó. Ella le ganó a él. You can also say ellos le ganaron a ella. Okay, so you can have different combinations for sure, but essentially, if you want to say, a, if you want to use a, then you need to have two, two people, at least two people, the winner and the loser. Pretty much, okay? But you can also say, te gané, you know? You're celebrating, te gané, I beat you. Yay, you know? Te gané, yo te gané, okay? So once again, you can use reflexive pronouns. Sometimes you will use le when you have two people and you're saying, hey, she beat him, okay? So you will have this le very commonly in Spanish, very common in Spanish, sorry. But if you can also say, you know, te gané, yo te gané, okay? So that means I beat you. You don't need yo, but you need te. ¿Quieres? Tú quieres in questions. When you ask questions, you don't need to say tú quieres. Some people say it, but it's not a common thing to do in Spanish. You just use the verb first. ¿Quieres? ¿Tú quieres? ¿Quieres means do you want? ¿Quieres café? Do you want coffee? ¿Quieres agua? Do you want water? ¿Quieres jugar? Do you want to play? Okay, so do you want to play? Do you want to do something? That's what it means, quieres. Play in Spanish is jugar. Vamos a jugar. Let's play. Quiero jugar. I want to play. Jugar. Yo juego, tú juegas, él juega, and so on. So jugar means to play. ¿Quieres jugar means do you want to play? Otra vez, otra vez, otra vez is a great, great little phrase that means again. Okay? Otra vez. Again. Otra vez. That's a question. Again. Okay? So remember that one. It's a good one. Otra vez. The verb ganar, ganarle, or ganar plus reflexive pronoun is right here at the beginning. And we have ganar here as well. The verb ganar. Okay? So ganarle a means to beat. Okay? So when you're competitive, you can use this verb for sure. Excellent.